All right. Hey, San Warren, check it out. We are again on the recording. But this
yes, sir.
This is a good one. This is a good one.
It's hot, man. This is hot, Sid.
Yeah, it is. It is. Now, in all seriousness, folks, I just kicked my table, but in all seriousness, okay, we've been doing this for about at least 8 to 9 years. And here's what we've seen thus far. Okay? We watch people who join network marketing companies or join affiliate. You know, you have an affiliate, you give out your link, but you're still in a team, working as a team. And that we've watched. I just got done talking to somebody on Facebook, and they said that they just got done spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on this defunct company. I'm not going to say the name, but it was about traffic, buying traffic. They're no longer around now because they're being investigated, okay? And she said that I'm in financial hardship. Let me tell you guys something. Let me just break something down here. San Warren, can I get real with them? I want to get real. All right?
Let's get real, Sid.
Let's get real with them. I'm not going to give you guys false information on this, okay? If you're going to buy traffic so you can get signups, you guys know the deal, right? You buy the traffic. You can't buy 300 clicks and expect to make $300. It doesn't, okay? If you're going, it boils down to this. You're only going to get a certain percentage of people that are going to opt in. That means you're going to have to buy not 300, not 1,000. If you're going to make this kind of money where you're making thousands of dollars, you got to buy 5,000, maybe 8,000 clicks to get those signups to make maybe $1,000. Okay, so you know, if you don't have the kind of money for 8,000 clicks, which is probably around maybe $3,000, $4,000 to make, maybe I'll give you this, to make $3,000 right up front, and then you're hopefully over the time you'll make even more. You're not in the ball game. I'm just being the truth. San Warren.
And you just said a mouthful, and people expectations is the reason why a lot of people aren't being successful in our industry. Like you said, the real scale of what it takes, it costs a lot of money. If you're fortunate to have a wallet, a deep pockets like that, then yeah, but most people aren't. So what are they doing? They're on Facebook trying to build their fan base. They're trying to post, they're trying to add value, they're trying to, you know, get more people to like, and trust them. That right there takes a while to develop. And meanwhile, they're not making any money, Sid. They're not making any money.
We're not saying that it doesn't work. It does work.
It does work. It does work.
It takes some time. It takes
But this is the thing, Sid, to really make that thing scale, it needs to be easy, that anybody can do. And that is so simple that it just seems like it's just dumb, you know? Like, I can't believe that they're actually doing this. It's so simple, so easy. Something that we always do. We do it every day. It's like a part of us.
Yes.
It's something that we do unconsciously. We got to have that connection, and we're doing it all the time. So it's not like it's something that's hard for us to learn how to do. Really.
We need something like that, you know, and you know, we kind of came up with something, didn't we?
We got it, man. We did it.
I can tell you,
we saw the problem, and we answered the call. We have a solution.
Yes, we have a solution.
Major problem.
So San Warren, what we're averaging right now, folks, okay, now imagine this. You know how they tell you if you're in a business, you got to get out there, you got to talk to somebody, you got to reach out to somebody, and you should have so many people to talk to every single day, right?
Yeah, 10 to 15 exposures a day.
Right. Folks, if I told you that right now on average, me and San Warren are talking to, on average, 3 to 4 people a day. These are people on a phone.
Mm-hmm.
On a phone, right? And the only reason I'm doing 3 or 4 today because I don't have enough time to go ahead and talk to more people. I can tell you this, San Warren, are you running traffic?
No,
No.
No.
Traffic.
Not running any traffic.
Not running in traffic.
And you know what's so amazing is they don't have to go looking for nobody. We give it to them. We give it to them. Freely you give, freely you shall receive. We give it to them, said.
Yes. So
it's amazing.
So the thing is that even if we say this, even when we say this, people are still not going to. It's not going to sink in. It's not going to sink in.
You know why? You know why I said is the change. That, like I said, that transition from job mentality to entrepreneurship to being an online affiliate marketer. The things that we do is against the grain. It's not the norm.
Right.
And so a lot of people say it can't be that easy. It can't be that simple. It can't, we're still looking for it to be just totally hard. And it's not. We have it. The solution.
And it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to go out there and spend every single penny in order to have some success. You don't have to do that. You don't have to go chasing after your parents and your brothers and your sisters and your aunts and your uncles and your cousins. You don't have to do that either. The thing that gets me, San Warren, is this. We have the same way of doing things right now that's being sold that has been around for over 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
Technology does not stay the same for 10 years. It just doesn't, right? So we know that, hey, something's got to change because it's not working. It's not working.
Not working, man.
So,
well, you know what? It's working, but it's not working for the masses. And they tell you, well, in order to build an organization, especially with network marketing and affiliate marketing, whatever, you're going to have a few people that, are willing to do what you're doing.
Yeah.
And that's where it falls short is, once everybody can't do what you and I do. Everybody can't do what some of these other top earners doing. And there's never true duplication. True duplication. That's hard to come by, said.
It is.
It's very hard to come by. And that's the reason why I like this. This is the reason why I'm so excited. You guys, make sure you stay here in our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you stay connected to Two Ordinary Guys. We are giving you the whole Monty, the full Monty.
Everything. And
you don't have to figure anything out. You don't have to, bust your head on learning complicated methods and all these things. You don't have to be a master salesman or any of that. We're going to give you all the information and everything you need and to get you started successfully. We're going to work with you, each person. That's one thing that's missing, said. That's the lost sauce, is when you come into a business, actually having some mentor coaching and taking it further than that, giving you everything you need to be successful. I mean, everything. And look, if you want to find out, you guys, you need to get in contact with Said or myself, Two Ordinary Guys. Give us a call or click on the link below. Make sure you get involved with us. We will give you what you need. If you're out here and Said, now why are these people working so hard?
Because it's something that's been sold to them. They're used to putting their head up against the wall and just banging it, and folks, I wish I tell you, you don't have to do that. You just don't. You just.
Well, see, I learned a long time ago is, you either gonna learn the lessons yourself the hard way, or you're gonna look toward some people who already been there, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna take their advice. And that's one lesson you don't have to learn. We're saving them thousands of dollars. We're saving them all this time and energy and effort and peace of mind. We're cutting straight through all that fat and getting you guys straight to the meat of how you can get on here and be successful and earn a full-time income on a part-time basis. That's crazy. From home.
From home.
From home.
From home.
Yeah.
With, hey, don't forget this, with less than 2 hours a day.
With less than 2 hours a day.
Yes, there is a way to do this, okay? There's a way to do this. All right, hey, San Warren, I don't want to be on here too long. We kind of gave it to them.
We gave it to them.
It's up to you guys.
It's up to you.
You know, if you want the results that you're currently getting and you think that you're on the right way, hey, the more power to you. We hope that you are successful. But if you're on the flip side of things and things are just falling apart and you're not getting anywhere, I'm telling you, the person you want to get in touch with is that guy right there, Mr. San Warren, or me, Cedric Rogers, Two Ordinary Guys. We can show you exactly what we are doing to help you out. Okay? San Warren, close it down. Close it down. You know how to do it.
Look, you guys, like said, this opportunity is open for you. If you're looking for something different and you're looking to be a part of something special, especially a team like this working together like never before. I always say San Warren Nix. My name's San Warren Nix, next level entrepreneur, and my partner Cedric Rogers. Two Ordinary Guys. Look, if we don't see you from the top, we'll see you at the top. Okay, okay. And hey, I got a new one said.
Yeah.
Look,
yeah.
It's on. Nick's off.
There you go. I like that. I like that. All right, y'all take it easy. All right.